Make your wood floors shine like new, no wax needed. Dear friends, are your wood floors looking dull and lifeless? The good news is you don't need expensive wax or harsh chemicals to bring back their shine. Start by removing loose dust and dirt with a soft broom or microfiber dust mop. Tiny dirt particles can scratch the surface if left behind. Next, mix 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of warm water. Add a few drops of mild dish soap for extra cleaning power. Dip a microfiber mop into the solution and wring it out well. Never soak wooden floors with water. Mop gently along the direction of the wood grain. This removes grime, footprints, and sticky residue while protecting the floor's finish. For extra shine, lightly buff the floor using a clean, dry microfiber cloth or a microfiber mop. This simple step makes a noticeable difference. To keep your floors looking new, wipe up spills immediately, use felt pads under furniture, and place doormats at every entrance to reduce dirt and grit. Avoid steam mops, abrasive cleaners, bleach, or ammonia-based products. These can damage the protective finish and reduce the natural beauty of your wood flooring. With just a few household items and a few minutes of care, your wood floors can look clean, glossy, and refreshed, without using any wax. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.